You searched how to buy shares of IDT Corporation. IDT Corporation is a telecommunications and technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IDT, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker IDT to locate the company. Make sure you select the matching NASDAQ listing to confirm it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company summary and the price chart to see recent performance. Confirm the page shows NASDAQ and the ticker IDT so you have the right security. Tap Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the trade. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio under Holdings. For convenience, the official eToro link is included in the video description.